Chenro mag thieth orochore ute mag thieth mag piny owacho kaluwore gi ng'anyo mag jochiw thieth. Jochiw thieth weko nochako ng'anyo ayanga e gwenge ma Busia odiechieng' ma kawuono ka gisundo tend kaunti no mar Busia mondo mi okete tim winjruok mane gichope e kinde mokalo. Jochiw thieth dwaro meto mar osara, gijiwo ni nyaka chulnegi osara mowinjore kendo ket kare lwasi margi mar tich.
Ni uchungu mwingi kuona mama amekuwa mjamzito kwa miezi 9 na anafika hapa kwa sababu ya delays za kwamba ameambiwa anunue, na mnafahamu ya kwamba uchumi ni mgali mno, manake hawana senti za kununua hizo vitu zote ambavyo wanaambiwa.
Since the county government has gone on strike for us. Now we are going on strike. We all go on strike. Let them strike. Let us strike. We shall meet there in the strike, and maybe a solution will come out of there. Because it seems the language which the county government understands most is the industrial actions. They wait for industrial actions to purchase drugs. They wait for industrial actions to purchase other commodities which are relevant, to stock food for patients, which is not right.
Right now in our wards, we have 4 patients per bed. We don't have food. The commodities are not there. The healthcare workers' rights and environment is compromised, and everyone is comfortable about it. So we as union leaders have said enough is enough.
Those who are likely to suffer if the staff go on strike are really the innocent citizens of this county, and we are trying to avert that. That's why we are urging them that